Introducing Fjd Auto Steer System. It's 30% lighter with a 46% larger screen ratio and a simplified harness interface. With only one antenna required, installation is a breeze, and accuracy remains uncompromised. It adapts to a wide range of agricultural machinery. And with its ISOBUS control, you can monitor your implements effectively. It offers 4 guidance line options to meet your diverse needs, which can be conveniently managed in real time. When you need to turn around automatically, U-turn enables continuous operations. You can also opt for aux turn, providing omega and fishtail shape for planned boundaries. It can effortlessly handle complex field shapes like a pro. It deals well with uneven farmland thanks to terrain compensation. The upgraded interactive interface ensures intuitive operation, making your farming experience smoother and more efficient. With the platform, you can create boundaries, guidance lines, and deliver tasks to the control terminal for efficient management. Get ready to level up farming experience with the all-new Fjd Auto Steer system.